restoring your learning strength after a prolonged period of stagnation. If you feel trapped in your comfort zone, it's time to take action. After experiencing repeated failures, it's all too easy to retreat into familiarity. You might avoid new challenges and cling to past habits, feeling resistant to growth. But this cycle can be broken. Regaining control starts with action. Implement small, deliberate changes in your daily routine. Whether it's adjusting your bedtime or integrating short exercise sessions, these minor adjustments can lead to profound transformations. Define your learning goals with precision. What do you aim to achieve? Break these ambitions into manageable tasks. Commit to studying for 5 days and designate 1 day for reflection and planning. Structure breeds success. Engagement is non-negotiable. Utilize different colors for notes, create visual aids, and actively review materials. Transform learning from a chore into an engaging experience. Make it stick. Your studies must resonate. Connect the material to your interests and experiences. When learning is relevant, it becomes meaningful and drives motivation. Distractions must be eliminated. Stop mindlessly scrolling through social media. Engage with content that challenges you. Books, lectures, podcasts. Stimulate your mind and foster proactive thinking. Physical activity is essential for mental strength. Incorporate regular exercise and spend time outdoors. These practices enhance your mood and energy, equipping you to tackle any challenge. Never underestimate the power of rest. Prioritize quality sleep and find activities that recharge your spirit. Rather than wasting time on your phone, invest in relaxation techniques or delve into a compelling book. Ultimately, the responsibility for your growth lies with you. Change is a gradual process. Start small, maintain consistency, and exercise patience. By implementing these strategies, you can break free from stagnation and unlock your true potential. If you found this message impactful, like and subscribe. Share your thoughts below. Together, we will embrace growth and transformation.